Everyone, so in the last class we have discussed about reduction formula for integration of cot power nx dx and some problems on it. So now we derive the reduction formula for integration cot power nx dx. Okay, almost the method is similar to the integration for reduction formula for integration tan power nx dx. So first let the given function as in is given integral as in is equals to integral cot power nx dx. Now this can be written as integration cot power n can be written as cot power n minus 2 into cot square x dx. Okay. So now integration cot power n minus 2 keep as it is. In the place of cot square we can write it as cosec square x minus 1 into dx. Now further simplifying this one, that is multiplying this cot term with this cosec, we get cot power n minus 2 into cosec square x dx minus integration of cot power n minus 2x into dx. This is in. Okay. Now if I compare this term with the given integral, okay, that is in is equals to integration cot power nx dx, then it, because in the place of n we have n minus 2, so therefore we can replace this by n minus 2. Okay, so that is in is equals to, so now here you can observe that cot differentiation is cosec. Okay, so actually it is minus cosec, so therefore we have cot differentiation is minus cosec, therefore we can use the integration formula, that is integration of f of x whole power n into f dash of x into dx is equals to f of x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. But here we have only cosec square x, but cot differentiation is minus cosec square x. So for that we multiply this term with the minus, therefore we consider minus integration cot of n minus 2x into minus cosec square x dx. Okay, so minus into minus becomes plus now. This minus, so it can be replaced by in minus 2. Now using this formula we get in equals to minus, now it is in this form. Using this formula here f of x means we have cot of n plus 1, already n minus 2 is there, so substituting n is equals to, sorry, n minus 2 plus 1 is equals to, we get n minus 2 plus 1 denominator n minus 2 plus 1 minus in minus 2. Simplifying we get in is equals to minus cot power n minus 2 plus 1 is equals to n minus 1 denominator n minus 1 minus in minus 2. This is the required reduction formula. We may write it as integration cot power nx dx value is minus cot power n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 minus in minus 2 means it is integration of cot power n minus 2x into dx. Okay, using this one we can derive the reduction formula for definite integral, that is integral 0 to pi by 4 also. Okay, so that is the next problem. We have evaluate integral 0 to pi by 4 cot power nx dx. Okay, this can be derived by using the reduction formula for cot. Solution: let in equals to integration 0 to pi by 4 cot power nx dx. Now by the above reduction formula, that is by the reduction formula for integration cot power nx dx, we have, so integration of this one is minus cot power n minus 1 denominator n minus 1 minus in minus 2, that is integration of cot power n minus 2 x into dx. Okay, so if I apply the limit 0 to pi by 4 to this both side, we get integration 0 to pi by 4 cot power nx dx equals to minus cot power n minus 1 divided by n minus 1, limits are 0 to pi by 4, minus integration 0 to pi by 4 cot power n minus 2 x into dx. So further simplifying, this becomes in equals to, so applying upper limits and lower limit, upper limit is cot of pi by 4, cot of pi by 4 is equals to 1, therefore we get minus 1 divided by n minus 1, minus of lower limit is 0, cot of 0 equals to 0, therefore simply we get minus 1 divided by n minus 1. So now this can be replaced by in minus 2. So that is for this one, that is integral 0 to pi by 4 cot power nx dx, we have the reduction formula is minus 1 divided by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Okay, so that is in equals to integration 0 to pi by 4 cot power nx dx, its value is always 1 divided by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Okay, so on this basis we solve some problems. First one is integral cot power 6x dx. So here, so this is an indefinite integral, that means we don't have here limits. So this can be used by solved by using the reduction formula. So let, since here n value is equals to 6, we take this as we consider this as I6 is equals to integral cot power 6x dx. By the reduction formula we know that in is equals to minus cot power n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. This is the reduction formula for integration cot power nx dx. Okay, so consider this as equation 1. So substituting n is equals to 6, we get I6 value. I6 is equals to minus cot power n minus 1, that is 5 divided by 5 minus n minus 2, I4. Okay, consider this as equation 2. So therefore I4 can be obtained by using the equation 1. So substituting n is equals to 4, substituting n is equals to 4 in 1, we get I4 value is equals to minus cot power 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by 3 minus I2. So consider this as equation 3. Similarly, substituting n is equals to 2 in 1, we get I2 value. I2 is equals to minus cot power 1, because 2 minus 1 is equals to 1, cot x divided by 1 minus I0. Equation 4. I0 can be obtained by substituting n is equals to 1 in the given n is equals to 0 in the given integral. So that is I0 can be obtained by substituting cot power 0. So which is equal to anything power 0 equals to 1. Integration of 1 is equals to we get x. Therefore I0 value is equals to x. So equation 4 implies that this I0 I2 value is equals to minus cot x minus x. Substituting this I2 value into equation 3, that is in the I4 value. Equation 4 implies equation 3 implies I4 is equals to minus cot cube x divided by 3 minus I2 value. Minus I2 value is minus cot x minus x. Further simplifying, we get minus cot cube x divided by 3 minus into minus plus cot x minus into minus plus x. Okay, this is I4 value. Now substituting I4 value into this equation 2. Equation 2 implies I6 value is equals to minus cot power 5x divided by 5 minus I4. I4 value is minus cot cube x divided by 3 plus cot x plus x. Further simplifying this one, we get minus cot power 5x divided by 5 minus into minus plus cot cube x divided by 3 plus into minus minus cot x plus into minus minus x. So this is the required I6 value. That is I6 means here integration cot power 6x dx. So this is the final answer. Next example, evaluate integral 0 pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot per 4x dx. You can observe that here the limits are pi by 4 to pi by 2, but we have the reduction formula for integration 0 to pi by 4 cot power nx dx. So here limits are different, therefore we change this x by pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, that is solution. So first let this given integral as, since here power is 4 sorry, power is 5, power is 4 here, so therefore we change this as we consider this as I4 is equals to integral pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot power 4x dx. Okay, so we change, that is substitute this x is equals to pi by 2 minus t or pi by 2 minus theta, then we get dx value. Differentiating this one, we get pi by 2 value 0, differentiating pi by 2 get 0, minus theta differentiation minus d theta. Okay, also when x is equals to pi by 4, then this theta value is equals to pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is equals to pi by 4, and when x is equals to 0, then the theta value is equals to pi by 2 minus, when x is equals to pi by 2 minus pi by 2 is equals to 0. Therefore the given integral can be written as I4 is equals to integration pi by 4, when x is equals to pi by 4, we have pi by 4 to 0 cot power 4 as it is in the place, cot of, in the place of x we write pi by 2 minus theta whole power 4 into minus d theta, or this minus can be taken outside, minus pi by 4 to 0 tan of pi by 2 minus theta can be written as, cot of pi by 2 minus theta can be written as tan of theta. Okay, and power 4 is there, 4 into d theta. Now interchanging these limits, we get negative sign here, so negative into negative positive, that is minus into minus, we get positive. Integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power 4 theta d theta. So this can be easily evaluated by using the reduction formula for integration of 0 to pi by 4 tan power n theta d theta. Okay, so we know that reduction formula for integration 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx in is equals to 1 divided by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. So using this formula we can easily calculate this one. So therefore integration 0 to pi by 4 tan of 4 theta d theta value is equals to, we consider this as I4. I4 is equals to 1 divided by n minus 1 means it is 3 minus I2. So consider this as equation 1. So I2 can be obtained by using the same reduction formula. I2 is equals to 1 divided by 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1 minus I0. Okay, so minus I0. So here I0 can be obtained by substituting n is equals to 0 in the reduction formula or given integral. We get, consider this as equation 2. So I0 value can be obtained by substituting tan power 0. So that is tan power 0 x, sorry, here we have theta d theta. So it is equals to tan power 0 equals to 1. Therefore integration of 1 is equals to x 0 to pi by 4. So simplifying we get pi by 4. Now the equation 2 implies I2 value is equals to 1 minus I0 value is pi by 4. Also equation 1 implies, this equation 1 implies that I4 value is equals to 1 by 3 minus I2 value is 1 minus pi by 4. So further simplifying this one, we get 1 by 3 minus 1 minus into minus plus pi by 4. So for further simplifying this, we get 3 pi minus 8 divided by 12. So this is I4 value, that is integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power 4 theta d theta value. So therefore the given integral, so that is integration pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot power 4 x dx equals to I4. Its value is 3 pi minus 8 divided by 12. This is the required answer. So similarly you can solve integration pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot power 5x dx. So here also you change this x by pi by 2 minus theta or pi by 2 minus t. And so one more example, solve integration cot power 4x dx. Okay.